Chief Minister Biren asserts the BJP-led government is trying its best to accelerate development projects. Miyamgi Numit held in different districts of Manipur. People approached Chief Minister and district administration with their grievances. Manipur joined Swasthya Hi Seva. Chief Minister along with people take Clean India pledge on the first day of the campaign. And 6 men carrying gold bars worth more than 1 crore rupees in the rectum held at Imphal International Airport. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangwazam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren urged the Old Manipur Bar Association Amba to hold more legal awareness for the people. Biren today asserted that the BJP-led government is trying its best to accelerate development projects. He said the government has to focus on new infrastructure development and at the same time complete several existing projects. The Chief Minister was addressing the 66th Foundation Day celebration of Old Manipur Bar Association Amba today. Biren, who graced the event as the chief guest, said, "Today the government has completed 5 months and the government has taken up several development works in a short period of time." He maintained that rain and other climatic conditions have hampered the progress of the development works. Biren assured that the inconveniences facing the people will be dealt with as soon as the climatic condition improves. He urged the Old Manipur Bar Association Amba to organize legal awareness programs to make the people law-abiding citizens.
Academy karigi tawgada ba masak mayam ma wali ba deng sai te SPP ba da panmi ki ba mayam war passing ade pe ko men ni side ge ko yaring ge priority apoi thabak se apoi khara prioritize to karam mana hana to we ai ko na to we ai madu gi area do da koi legal gi oi ba judiciary ge ba pose koi priority area do ma pe ko men si ko na thamje adu madu kari na war padra kar le ko ko na mo pe yaring ge mention na
Law Minister L. Jayantugma asserted that the government will try to solve the shortages faced by subordinate judiciary courts in the state. He maintained that ever since the new government came to power, Manipur has witnessed several changes in infrastructure development.
Grievance bar bench honorable chief minister notice to put up honorable works minister put up and highway samaru I Sadi, Tangai for duty near the name of the Lozeraga. Aina. Tawia by Dog Jaga, Dilo and Miami information among High Court. So can interest Logi with a Judicial Academy, but don't look at the Madu Yamkan, which I mean, Jadi Habituma, Mayam the Matumatan Jagay. Once Judicial Academy, she lower the infrastructure, lower the manpower, Mayam Lamatunda, City Academy, fully functional or regadi, Pandalari, Makalgi ports, the quality of Makalgi port, Madu.
Works Minister T.H. Biswaji said there are many people who are denied justice as they cannot afford the fee of lawyers and the court. He said it is important to strengthen free legal services in order to deliver justice for the poor. Biswaji also appealed to Amba to organize awareness programs on international law as ACS policy has also been implemented in the state. Floral tributes were offered to the deceased members of Amba and a 2-minute silence was observed in their honor. President of the association, Senior Advocate H. Chandrazit, submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister.
Free legal service. Masih hana daki so dum dai birang gani
aduna aikoi leitaba lairaba mayam singsna aikoina politics tawjabasta aikoida laiba so many cases paisa leitaba dagi magi justice phangma ngamdaba natraga ukil singi natraga advocate singi gi maroi ba magi akoi gi leiriba feesing thiba ngamdaba dagi ma justice tawba ngamdaba se kamai tawraga hen strengthen tawdagi akoi kana gumba voluntarily natraga kana gumba asigi akoi gi leiriba legislature gi marakta su mose aikoina initiate tawbi hakan akoi corpus phanama natraga kali gumba contribution gi tawbirakan fund ama lerakanda kana gumba darkar lebusi awareness ama piri hujik su pibiri mayamna legal awareness mayama sisu amna encourage tawningai ni.
Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren today interacted with the people on Myanmar Numit at the Chief Minister's Secretariat. Many people from different parts of the state came to see the Chief Minister to express their grievances to him. The Chief Minister listened to the grievances and directed the departments concerned to look into the matter and take necessary steps. Addressing media persons on the sidelines of the event, Biren asserted that the new government completed 5 months today and people's positive response to its developmental activities and initiatives is visible everywhere. He said the people would decide the performance of the present government on their own. Refuting the allegation of renaming the Congress-introduced schemes by the BJP government to gain public support, the Chief Minister questioned whether Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana was initiated by Congress. District Administration Thobal organized Myanmar Numit at Laikol Community Hall in Hairong Part 1 to understand the grievances of people living in the interior areas of the district. Education Minister Thokchom Radhishyam, Deputy Commissioner Thobal L. Navakishore and ADM Bogent listened to people's complaints and grievances. SP Thobal spoke on community policy, legal aspect of policing. CMO Thobal held a blood donation camp and free medical camp and also free medicines, X-ray and ultrasound facilities to the people. Joint Director Veterinary highlighted the benefits of vaccination of animals. Though Myanmar Numit was held in Hairok for the conveniences of the people, 2 SDOs were posted at district headquarters to address the people's complaint. Police stations in the district also held Myanmar Numit. Technopole District also held Myanmar Numit at Technopole District headquarters and people expressed their grievances to the district administration. DC Technopole K. Ragumani, SP Dr. S. Ibomcha, Major MD Akbar of 12th AR listened to the problems. Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren today launched cleanliness campaign Swasthya Hi Seva, the nationwide fortnight-long sanitation campaign from September 15 to October 2 in connection with Gandhi Jayanti. Responding to media query during the launch regarding the ban imposed by KSA on non-locals in localities in connection with the upcoming General Panchayat elections from the 22nd of this month, the Chief Minister said he has directed the DCs in every district to look into the matter and the government is closely examining the matter. Nongthammam Biren also administered Clean India pledge to those present at the launch held at Koirenge. The event was organized by the Forest Department, PHED Minister Loki Dikho, Additional Chief Secretary P. Sambu, Principal Chief Conservator of Forest K. Abi Angami and officers of Forest Department and several students attended the launch.
Ngasi da ne moi khabar da thengna re na hanagi khara adu ai yeng hali DC da kamai to buno karin noi check to wona ba ta sengna illegal roiba kana yawi kamai to wi dong da check to wona yeng hanjeri.
PHED Minister L. Dikho, along with the officials of the department, also launched Swasthya Hi Seva at the department today. The minister also flagged up a rally from the department to create awareness about the fortnight-long campaign. The rally covered till the eastern gate of Kangla. L. Dikho also administered Clean India pledge to those present to keep cities and the villages clean.
Our department and our state have taken a very serious involvement, participation in this program. I would like to proudly say that our state, Manipur, people are very clean. At home also, inside also, even all the culture, all the environment, everything's clean, except something we have to give awareness to the public. because we don't really bother so much the cleaning of environment, but by look, people also clean.
Mahut and Imphal Municipal Council also joined cleaned areas in and around Lamphel Supermarket as part of the Swasta Hi Seva campaign. Volunteers of the IMC, led by IMC Mayor L. Lokeshwar, cleaned the area. Lokeshwar appealed for people's cooperation to keep the area neat and clean.
Door collection laiba NGO gi laiba singida khogi ming chanbiraga madu thamada lupa chama khatani nomada patho adi khoi lupa mari ba yogde saju sep tawba aduga lamtu ju nanba seida mating pangbiona tashingbadi yo hajatare.
DC Thobal L. Nabakishore launched the Swasta Hi Seva campaign at the Thobal DC office complex in Thobal district. The campaign was organized jointly by District Administration Thobal, Thobal District Municipal Council and NYK Thobal. The DC administered a Clean India pledge to the people present. People cleaned the DC complex and nearby areas as part of the campaign.
Bharat ki mafum khuding makta pangthong nobogum koi ki Thobal district su Swasta Hi Seva koi after the cleanliness is service koi lu nan basina koi thongni ha basini masiga mari lenana koi October ki tarik ani bok chatha gadaba chungba koi ki kanosi celebration and organization koi NGO mayam degi district level officers mayam magi office ta degi koi ki public places kaya da school kaya da college kaya da health center kaya da bus stop ta degi pukri public places mayam ama singluk pagi se khoi ngasi tarik 3 sida Thobal district ki so ena khoi Thobal DC office complex da khoi ngasi innovation tawjabani.
Swasta Hi Seva was also launched at Kampopi district today. District Water and Sanitation Committee PHE Division launched the campaign at Kampopi District DC Multipurpose Hall. Chairman of Sadar Hills Autonomous District Council Kampopi Haukoland Hangxing said the campaign will help in keeping the district neat and clean. DC SP of the district, ADC along with DLO, CSO, ASHA workers and students took part in the campaign. Zonal Education Office Science Unit Wangoi held the 9th Zonal Level Science Seminar on Swachh Bharat, Role of Science and Technology, Promises and Challenges at Wangoi Zonal Education Office today. 14 students from 9 different government-aided and private schools in Wangoi took part in the seminar. Selected students from the seminar competition will participate in the state-level Student Science Seminar. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit today asked the engineers to be more innovative rather than following instruction from the centre in dealing with the development of the state. Speaking at the 50th Engineers Day celebration held on the 157th birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna engineer Moksa Gundam Viveswariya at Government Polytechnic Takel, the minister urged the people not to portray the politicians, engineers and contractors in a wrong way. He also recalled the contribution of Viveswariya in nation building. Viswajit stated that the engineer should follow in his footsteps, keeping in mind his dedication and integrity. He appealed to people to extend maximum support to the development plan of the government in their localities. He also asked them to provide land for future development. The Institution of Engineers India Manipur State Center organized the event. Engineers, teachers and students of NIT, MIT and Polytechnic attended the celebration.
Engineering role, engineers role, the India ki hek hobadagi kone lower keeper role se kone kamai tongdana kone chapalak liba duka prithvi gi drastically change zamala ko matam sta ai don but infrastructure da industrial segments the maru in India na export tawri ato pai kone yamna low growth tagi koi lariba koi ahen ba growth market rom da hena export tawdu sunati politicians jingna koi lariba posting je loi surprise tawgi sanabi malerami koi hujik madugi portal on ma thaduk na bagi wakhaloni.
Education Minister T.H. Radhishyam today inaugurated sports hostel of the Wycombe Money Girls College. The hostel was constructed with a cost of 75 lakh rupees under the funding of University Grant Commission. Speaking at the inauguration, the Education Minister said the government will work for the development of the women's colleges. There are 4 women's colleges in the state. It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while with more new updates. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. In an unprecedented incident, a team of Custom Division Imphal and CISF apprehended 6 persons who were carrying gold biscuit worth rupees 1 crore and 79 lakh in directum at Imphal International Airport today. The team apprehended 6 persons who were leaving for New Delhi and Kolkata along with 36 gold biscuits. The apprehended persons have been identified as Kewal Singh and Suresh Kumar from Jammu and Kashmir, Rintu Halder and Mintu Pant from West Bengal, Neeraj from Punjab and Rohit Minatpur from Central Delhi. The gold biscuits were detected when they passed through the metal detector while checking in at Imphal International Airport. They were then sent to laboratory for further investigation and found the gold biscuit in the rectum. The apprehended person and the gold biscuit were taken to police of the Deputy Commissioner, Custom Division Imphal and produced before the media person. Speaking to media, Custom Division Imphal Deputy Commissioner Kaikholung Pamai said today crackdown was just a tip of the iceberg. He said there is shortage of manpower and sophisticated equipment in the department and expressed gratitude at the cooperation from other forces and departments in curbing illegal activities. The apprehended person will be produced at the court tomorrow. Kairao MLA Laurembam Rameshwar has announced to build a park in memory of the late MLA's minister who represented Kairao constituency at Punang Moring village. He was speaking at the get-together of the Youth Popular Club of Kiambay Awang Laikai and Makha Laikai today. Rameshwar urged the club to work for the betterment of the society. He said Kairao constituency still lags behind other constituencies. The Kairao MLA also said the constituency received less quota of rice and many poor families do not get their share of PDS items. He asserted that he is working to solve these problems and asked the people to submit their Aadhaar cards and other relevant documents to the authority concerned soon. Rameshwar also said works have already been taken to improve drinking water supply, road and bridges in the constituency.
Population the Chaman 87% of Ching from the government, but we can get 60% of them, around 57 something of them. And the great Masic scale of Mamma, hope April is a 16 years ago. I find a kind of pan and hope. And the PDS Mata.
Irabot Celebration Committee today observed the birth anniversary of Comrade Tokchom Dibira at Irabot Baban. Secretary CPI Manipur State Council Dr. Moirang Temnara said the day was observed to remember the contribution of Comrade Bira for the welfare of the state. He said Birat was a revolutionary himself who believed in the ideology of Karl Marx. CPI members offered floral tribute at the portrait of the late communist leader.
Party ki tungi thabak togdoksi noi ni ko aidna si jokhat piram madugi misak do comrade bira amani aduna ngasi no merisida magi mafam da koina kharadang haikat laikat togjaba amasung magi wakhalona do makha ta na pudadana ngasi gi tangdu leita draba samaj sigi mayon chumna bhonabada jananeta hizam irabona pamami ba marxism gi wakhalona do ai koi sagan na bhona jari.
And anti-terrorism mock drill was held today as part of the safety and security of the guests and employees staying at hotels. The mock drill was jointly conducted by Police Department and the Classic Grant under the supervision of DGP LM Kaute and IG Joint 1 Clay Khonsai at Classic Grant Jingmeirong. The aim of the drill is to get the hotel staff familiarized with how to deal in such situation and for the police department to familiarize with the hotel's facilities and layouts.
We have been training for this kind of incidents also. Aduna khoi officers singsi from time to time US the su training chatli, adu NSC the su chatli, aduga sigi training centers, various other centers the su akhoi gi matam gi matung adum tham handak the su khoi gi NSC da mi kuntra around 20-30 men have gone for course on trainers of training of trainers. Aduna masigum basi. This may be the first time that we are doing in a hotel, but this is definitely the beginning of many others that we are going to carry out.
Today's drill is one of the drill which is carried out at the hotel, and this drill we carry out like fire drill, evacuation drill, earthquake, crisis management, how to evacuate, drill we keep doing regularly. So this drill is, we have named this drill as anti-terrorism drill. We are the first, Classic Grand is the first hotel to carry out such drill in the northeastern state of India.
Imphal West Commando arrested a cadre of KCP MC Progressive yesterday. The cadre is identified as Takhelambam retained Elias Salai, 27 years, son of John Manjoy from Sawombung Awang Laikai. He was arrested last evening around 6 from Sagol Tongba, Chongtham Laikai. Riten joined the outfit in February this year under Sagol Temboisa Singh from Sawombung, Maning Laikai. He is alleged to have been involved in extortion and transportation of weapons. Meitei Council Moray MCM and all Community Development Organization Moray Akodum expressed dissatisfaction with the condition of Moray Hospital. Members of the two organizations visited the hospital and found that there were so many shortages in the hospital. There were only 9 doctors, even though there should be 15 doctors. A lone X-ray technician operated the system while there was only 1 ambulance driver. MCM President M. Toiba had been demanding quality equipment in the hospital since 2010. He also said the present condition of the hospital forces pregnant women of the town to go to the hospital at Tamu, Myanmar.
सरकार की पॉलिसी से अममम द थंबगी पॉलिसी होय तारगदी 24 आवर सर्विस तौबैसे कनाना सुंगमय लैबा डॉक्टर अनि अहुम जी तसेन यामनो वाय मोइना अयु अंतादगी मखोयगी ऑफिस कारगा अना लायंगबनिना नुंदांगी ड्यूटी से ताबा मतम दसु अवाबा म्याम थेंने हायतारे मसिदा पेशेंट जिंगी पेदबा म्याम अमा लै खुजु खुलाइसिंग अमता लैतबसिना मरम रकांदा एक जिमथंगनबा म्यांमार सखत्रे हायबा मफमजिदा चलुबा मतम दते मागी लाइफम थोकपा चाप चाना hospital ama moyegi chapchana lei hai tar yamna chawba hospital ama leraga sathiba hospital ama oyebase mina haina dringai da thabak tawgudoriba masigi bibhag puriba mayamna changa amuktang miheng changaninga.
Tension prevailed in the neighboring villages of Namjatang and Vijang along Imphal Jiribam Road over felling of trees. However, police rushed at the spot and controlled the situation. Scuffle erupted when chief of Vijang village stopped cutting down of pine trees by the villagers of Namjatang. People of both the villages claimed that the area belonged to them. However, police personnel of New Kaitelmabi police station intervened and calmed down the villagers. Residents of Ragailong today staged a sit-in at Ragailong ground condemning the misconduct of some miscreants with the villagers last night. And Mujangulay, a member of the Women's Society, Ragailong, said there was a scuffle between some visitors last night, and when the women of the village tried to stop them, the miscreants pointed guns at them. She said such kind of incident might flare up tension among different communities and appealed to all to behave while entering the village. She also asked to stop gun culture.
Aikoi sing tam amatani haine kaya muk law nu lei adu lai bangang singju gyan ta basu leiram gani ta basu leiram gani aikoi de khana chaina nu haina khamdok pwa de ne bako adu na moina gun point aurak pasi nu pi aikoi phau taurak pasi masi aikoi jati amabu singna bni haina lowi go duna sigumba thabak se matung manau tobi gnu haibe se koi angang singda lai bangang singda aikoi apin taujari adu main taurabadi zat masing kamunin la oi haibu mafam leiti.
Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization demanded resignation of Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar on moral ground. The organization also questioned why the Home Department has not yet filed an FIR against Yumnam Debsit and arrested him. Members of the Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization today staged a sit-in by blocking half of Hakta Menutong Road against Yumnam Debsit. They allege that Debsit has defamed the followers of Islam on Facebook. The protest affected the commuters.
Kamal people singi damakta na tongan ba ailam leibra amadi deputy CM amadi VIP gi masa masu singi damakta tongan ba ailam leibra kari gi damakta Yumnam Debsit ki mathakta ngasi phawba Home Department na Manipur Police na FIR tawraga mahakpu ain goiba thabak lokhat pidabno haibase ngasi hangjariba athu matamda government asina so ai social media da si tangai phara monitor tawbiyo aduga sigumbada namara mo thokani nga thongdo me tholok pataragadi mado masigi Debsit amsum haki apokra pugadabni masi thokna damta athu matam government thabak lokhat pa tangai phadamne.
National Identity Protection Council NIPCO in a press release condemned Yumnam Debsit for posting sensitive comments on Meitei Pangan on social media. NIPCO urged individuals not to post anything which might hurt the sentiments of any community or religion on social media. Several employees of the Manipur State Power Development Corporation Limited (MSPDCL) took part in the sit-in today, organized by JSC against MSPDCL fresh recruitment at Kawa Power Substation, demanding regularization of services of MSPDCL contract employees. The JSC expressed the hope that there will be positive response to their demands at the board meeting between the MSPDCL officials and the Power Minister. Manipur Tourism Development Society has been celebrating World Tourism Day on September 27 since 1995. The society will celebrate World Tourism Day on the theme Sustainable Tourism for Development in a grand manner from September 27 to 30 at Eco Green Park, Yeralpatin Sit Road. Speaking to media person at Manipur Press Club, convener of the organizing committee, Bhumichan Khaba said the 4-day celebration will showcase folk songs, Pungawari and Manipuri classical dance performances along with Matam Isai acoustic band performance rock concert.
First is na kogi pung cholom gumba kogi traditional kano da oiba adagi kogi traditional music folk music gumba adumba based oiba entertainment program gumba then fooding kogi food kogi ethnic food gumba so kogi stall kra thamgani ba second day na kogi slow rock gumba acoustic music gumba then Hindustani music gumba da pizagani ko koina ignore tawraba angang koina pi ingai da childhood da koi khulo pi gan sanara pase so we want to give them a new touch. It's a game. 30s na kogi Western music day ne haidi rock event ama lakani ba ko adun mitsu Pungawari na laigani ko koi trekking lakpa camping lakpa mi singsi Pungawari to bigani.
A free eye care camp was held yesterday at Kergao in Imphal East. United 7th Ward Development Organization and Caesar Eye Care Foundation organized the camp at Kergao Junior High School. Around 320 people, including elderly persons and children, were treated at the eye camp. Free medicines were also distributed to the patients. Now the sports news. SDC Samurao beat their opponent in the first SH Mani Sarma Memorial 3rd Division Football League Tournament in the last league match of the league tournament played at the Spinning Mill Playground in Loitang, Kuno today. SDC Samurao beat USC Kudongpokpi by 2-1. In this match, Hayes Rakes and S. Amardas netted 1 goal each for the winners, while the lone goal of the USC Kudongpokpi was netted by Nares. 10 teams are participating in the Football League tournament held under the aegis of the Imphal West District Football Association. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren asserts that the BJP-led government is trying its best to accelerate development projects. Miyamgi Numit held in different districts of Manipur. People approached Chief Minister and district administration with their grievances. Manipur joins Swasthya Hi Seva. Chief Minister along with people take Clean India pledge on the first day of the campaign. Works Minister Bishwazad asked engineers to be more innovative in dealing with development of the state. And 6 men carrying gold bar worth more than 1 crore rupees in rectum held at Imphal International Airport.